Many business owners are surprised by the franchise tax. Let's break down what this fee is and why your company might owe it. At its core, a franchise tax is not a tax on your income. It is a fee for the privilege of doing business in a state. Most states do not charge this tax, but if you operate in states like Delaware or Texas, you will likely encounter it annually. If you have legally registered your business entity, the state considers you a franchise, which often triggers this mandatory annual filing requirement. Unlike income tax, which varies with your success, franchise tax is often a flat fee or based on your total business assets. States use different formulas. Some charge a simple flat fee, while others calculate it based on your net worth or total capital. Missing these deadlines can lead to heavy fines or even the administrative dissolution of your business entity in that state. Check with your local Secretary of State office for your specific requirements. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more.